Hey creators and travel tech fans, welcome back to Buy or Buy. Today we are zeroing in on two very different vehicle GPS trackers, the AmTrust GL300 Pure Tracking and the Forjo Crew Dual Charger Tracker Tracking Plus Device Charging. Which one should you buy? Let's dig in. What they are. First up, the AmTrust GL300. It's a compact 4G LTE tracker designed for vehicles, assets, kids, all kinds of use. It boasts real-time updates every few seconds and a rugged, weather-resistant housing. On the other side, the Forjo Crew device is more of a hybrid plug-in vehicle GPS tracker and dual USB or USB-C charger ports built into the unit. So you get tracking and device charging in one. Pros and cons. Now the trade-offs. AmTrust GL300 Pros. Excellent tracking focus, very good update frequency portable, battery powered, you can use it in vehicles or assets without needing plug-in all the time. Strong tracking feature set, geofence alerts. AmTrust cons. No built-in charger ports, you will need separate charger if you want. Battery life depends on update interval. If used heavily, you will charge often. Subscription may be required for service. Forjo Crew Dual Charger Tracker Pros. 2-in-1 device. Tracker plus charger. Good for someone who charges phone or devices in the vehicle a lot. Plug and play installation in car power outlet makes it convenient. Forjo Crew cons. Because it's a combo, might compromises on pure tracking performance, battery update, speed, reliability versus dedicated tracker. Possibly dependent on being plugged in, less portable for assets or travel outside vehicle. Limited publicly available detailed specs. You'll want to verify band, subscription, durability, verdict and which to buy. So which should you pick? If your priority is tracking reliability, you are monitoring assets or vehicles in a variety of contexts, the AmTrust GL300 is the safer pick. But if you frequently charge devices in your car and want a tracker plus charger in one unit, the Forjo Crew Dual Charger Tracker offers an interesting value proposition. Just check that the tracking component meets your needs, bands, update speed, subscription, reliability. My view. For most creators or travelers who need flexibility, go with the AmTrust GL300, I say buy. For someone whose flight hours, car charging, and convenience matter more than ultra-precision tracking, the Forjo Crew could be a maybe. I lean buy unless you confirm tracking quality. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which feature matters more to you, ultra tracking or dual charging convenience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. See you in the next video.